HTML5 is full of semantically correct ways to create tags. The types of elements you create are important for accessibility, so screen readers know how to read your content. The Quick Tag Editor is useful if you want to go back and clean up the tags you've created, experiment with different tags, or make quick edits on the fly. This video shows you how to work with the three modes of the Quick Tag Editor. I'll start by switching to the Design workspace. The Quick Tag Editor lets you edit an element's code in live view in one of three ways. You can edit the contents of a tag, wrap a tag with another tag, or insert a tag. To launch the Quick Tag Editor, select an element in live view, then press Ctrl-T or Command-T on your Mac. Notice that the Quick Tag Editor appears in Edit mode. Press Ctrl-T or Command-T again to switch to Wrap mode. Press Ctrl-T or Command-T again to switch to Insert mode. Use this process to access and edit code with any element in live view. So let's take a look at the Quick Tag Editor in action. I'll start by updating a div tag to an HTML5 section tag, then edit the attributes of an image. Select the feature image in live view and press the up arrow key to change the selection to the div surrounding the image. Open the Quick Tag Editor in Edit mode. Select and delete the div text. Type SE and notice that code hints display the section tag. Press Enter to change the tag, then press Enter again to commit the change. Notice that the code view updates showing the change. Dreamweaver even updates the close tag. Use this approach to easily swap between your layout tags. If I want to update the image tag, I can select it and open the Quick Tag Editor in Edit mode. I'll change the source path to images feature 2 PNG, then press Enter. Notice that live view updates to show the new image and the code changes are reflected in code view. Next, I'll make the image clickable by wrapping it in an anchor tag. I can easily accomplish this using the Quick Tag Editor. Select the image again and press Ctrl-T or Command-T twice to open the Quick Tag Editor in Wrap mode. Notice that the Quick Tag Editor shows a code hint menu with tag options. Select the first option, an anchor tag, then press the space bar. Type in HR and notice that the code hint jumps to href. Press Enter and type in the URL for the link. Press Enter again and notice that the updated code appears in code view with an anchor tag wrapping the section tag. Also notice that the close tag was generated for you. The last mode in the Quick Tag Editor enables you to insert a new HTML element before an existing one. If I want to insert a div tag above the image, I can do that by using the Insert mode. Select the image, if it's not already, and open the Quick Tag Editor in Insert mode. Type DI and press Enter to select the div tag and code hints, and press Enter again to commit the code. Notice that code view updates. Live View provides many tools and shortcuts you can use to manage and generate code. The Quick Tag Editor is a simple and powerful feature that you can use for quick edits to code while working in Live View. Try using all three modes of the Quick Tag Editor while working with your designs in Dreamweaver.